Needham Park and Recreation had to close the lap pool at the Rosemary pools on Sunday, July 14th, because someone shattered a glass salsa jar next to the pool, with shards ending up in the water. Here's Ashley Julian with more on the closure and cleanup effort.
The safety protocol for glass in the pool requires the town of Needham to drain the pool, then clean it by power washing and vacuuming with a wet-dry vacuum. Once they refill the pool, they need to rebalance the chemicals and retest for bacteria. The family pool and splash pad remained opened while the DPW worked to make the lap pool usable once again. The closure led to the cancellation of Sharks swim team practices at Rosemary, but they were able to hold a practice at Charles River Aquatics in Wellesley. The estimated cost of the cleanup is between $15,000 to $20,000. The lap pool is now reopened after being closed for almost 5 days. For the Needham Channel News, I'm Ashley Julian.